What's up guys, welcome back to Flavors by Tinski. It's Mr. Tinski here again because Tinski left me all alone. Again. I don't know where she went, but I guess I have to make lunch for myself. Again. Seeing all the reactions on the first videos, you guys really liked the sandwich. So today we are going to make the second most popular sandwich here in Belgium. What is it? Stay tuned and find out. So today we are going to make a Martino sandwich. This is probably the second most popular sandwich that all Belgians like to eat. It's a little bit spicy, but this sandwich will leave you full for the whole day. So let's get it started. What do we need? Prépare or steak tartare in other countries, pickles, diced onions, mustard, ketchup, and again a French baguette. Cut your French baguette. Add your prépare or steak tartare. I like to put on a thick layer on the bread because I love meat and I like it thick. Put your mustard on the other side and spread it out. Drizzle some ketchup. Add your onions. Add your pickles and the secret ingredient Tabasco sauce if you really like it hot. And that's it. Now you know how to make a Martino sandwich. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if you would like to try this sandwich out in the comments down below. Now, I'll probably will do the dishes before Tinski gets back or she'll get mad at me. See you later. Bye.